How to read deleted messages on WhatsApp. I'll show you several ways to do this. First way. Open the settings of your smartphone. Let's go to the notification settings. Next, select the notification history, and here we can see the deleted messages from WhatsApp. By the way, subscribe to our channel to see more helpful videos. Let's continue. Also, the Use Notification History setting must be enabled in advance, otherwise this method will not work. The second way to view deleted messages. First, launch the Google Play Market and look for an application called Whammer. Let's install it. After the application has been downloaded and installed, we launch it. We carry out the initial setup and give the necessary permissions to access WhatsApp notifications. After this, you will be able to see the deleted messages in the Whammer application. Thank you for watching.